Welcome to this third lecture on farming systems research within the framework of farm management. Learning objectives. This learning unit explains the process of a horizontal analysis using the example of the resource labor. The aim of the analysis is to record and assess the use of labor resources by the people who live in and from farming systems. After this learning unit, you should be able to provide answers to 3 questions. The first is the question on information required for an assessment of labor in farming systems. The second question is about the classification and measurement of labor, and the third question is about the valuation of labor from the perspective of a farming system. The course unit deals with these questions in 5 parts. You are currently watching the introduction. After this introduction, the analytical concept of the investigation of farming systems is presented. Then we talk about differences in the types of labor resources and about how to measure capacities and usage. The last chapter then deals with the question of how work is valued from the perspective of a farming system.